So this is the end result of our ML project, that is movie recommendation system. uh, there is a select box. You can select the movies and also type there, like Harry Potter. uh, let's say Goblet of Fire. Here you can see the suggestions, the top 10 recommendation movies. Let's Spider-Man 3, and there is a recommendation movies. uh, this is Spider-Man, Iron Man, all the Avengers movies, all the Marvel movies you get. Let's another one. Let's say Batman versus Superman. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Man of Steel, Dark Knight, Batman Returns. Nice. It's work great, right? Uh, so let's build the whole project with ML and Python, and also make the Streamlit application for web page. Let's get started. Okay, so before starting the whole project, we have to some basic knowledge in recommendation system, how it is work. There are basically three type of recommendation system, that is content based filtering, collaborative filtering, and hybrid techniques. Okay, I briefly discuss that's content based is basically works on the taglines, like we are making the movie recommendation system, right? Okay, in movies, we have genres, like who is the crews, who is the director. So based on that, we gonna recommend like similar terms or similar genres, similar the directors and crews, that type of things. In collaborative filtering, that is more expensive and more complex also. That is based on the users. Like I am liking Harry Potter, the Deathly Hollows after watching the Goblet of Fire. Okay, and if a user 2 is watching Harry Potter Goblet of Fire, then they also get the recommendation of the Deathly Hollows. Like that, it works. The user based content things, and the hybrid is the mixture of those two, like content based and also the collaborative filtering. There is also very complex things, and the big companies like YouTube also now using the hybrid techniques. So we are gonna use the simplest, the content based filtering in this project. After that, mm, in later, we're gonna use the collaborative filtering in another project. So let's get started with the dataset. So this is the dataset that I use in the project. That is TMDB 5000 movies dataset from Kaggle. This is if you don't know the TMDB, that's almost the same as IMDb, the movie recommendations, right? And if I just there are actually two files. There it is. One is movie. There is all the things like budget, genres, and keywords, all the things related to the movies, and also one more page that is the credits. The credits, like one is title, movie ID, and the cast and crew. Cast is like the hero, heroine. That's all the who are acting the front role in this movie. That's all. And the crew is the editing team, who is the edited the movie, what is the who is the director. That's all the information is the crew. Okay, this is the basic overview of our dataset. Let's go to the VS Code and code the whole thing. Okay, so we are in VS Code, and in this project folder we have three things: two dataset that I already showed you, and one is movie recommendation system IPYNB. That is a notebook file where we code all the things. Okay. First of all, we have to import all the libraries, right? Import the libraries. Uh, I'm just copy pasting. to save the time. Import the libraries. We need the pandas. So import pandas at pd, numpy, import numpy as np, and the ast. So we just run it. It's running, right? It's running. Yeah, it is already run, and we imported successfully the pandas, numpy, and ast. After that, we have to import the dataset. Importing the dataset, uh, we have two dataset. In one is credit, one is movies. In credits, we uh, imported the credit dataset, and movies we imported the movies dataset. Uh, let's see what is in this credit and movies. Uh, Sorry, what just happened? Oh, sorry. I just I don't run these. That's why I just yeah. So this is the credit dataset. We have four columns. One is movie ID, movie title, cast, and crew. I uh, I will see. Okay, and another dataset, that is the movies. And in the movies we have actually many columns. So I pick the first row. Uh, Picking the first row, I had to write one in this head. Okay, so there is budget, genres, homepage, ID, keywords, original language, origin title, everything. Many things is there. And runtime also, revenue. We I don't need all those things. First of all, we have to merge, right? We have to merge those two dataset in one. So to merge the dataset in the movies, we're gonna merge movies. To merge movies dot merge is the keyword, and in this bracket we have credits. To merge credits के साथ होगा movies में, and left on title and right on title. So रिलेशन क्या है इसमें? लेफ्ट एंड राइट में दोनों में टाइटल जब सेम होगा तो ये दोनों मूवी मर्ज हो जाए, मतलब पूरा रो मर्ज हो जाएगा. तो रन करता है. या it's all right. Now see the movies, and yeah, we have 23 columns right now. So budget is there, and at last we have this movie ID, cast, and crew. In this section, you can't see this, so it is successfully merged. And after that, we don't need all those columns. We need only 5 6, right? So to extract the columns, we have to need write this. The movies, in the movies section we need the movies id, movies title, overview, genres, keyword, cast, and crew. Okay, run. Yeah, successfully run. uh, Now see what is in movies. Yeah, that is all. Movies id, title, overview, genres, keyword, cast, crew. But there is a problem. The problem is the genres, keywords, and cast, and also crew file is not straightforward. Like its ID, name, action. As a To solve this, we have the value inside the name. Here the key value pairs. So inside the name, we have the genres, and again, there is all things. And also in the keyword, same thing. Inside the name, we have the keyword. To extract this, we have just simply write a function. So this is the function I wrote for this. So it is a convert name of the function, and it'll we just append the name things again and again. And to apply this function, we are gonna use the apply keyword. That is so inside the genres, movies genres dot apply, and what function should I apply? That's convert, right? So convert. Yeah. So successfully it is converted. And now if I see the genres, here you see action, adventure, fantasy, science fiction. But that is totally converted, right? It is in simple format right now. And you have also have to convert the keyword things as the same way. Just copy paste. Yeah, it is okay. It's converted. Let's see it's converted or not. Yeah, it is totally converted, right? So culture clash, future spaceware, all the keywords is here. Uh, and now in this cast section, if I just see you the cast section, right? This, mm, let's see. Man, why are this fully here? Yeah. So in this first row, in cast, you can see the cast ID, character name, and here is also the name thing. We where is the main actor name? That's character name is the name of the character in this movie, but the actual name of the hero or the things is in a name section, and you can find all the characters and names. So we have to extract the name things, but we don't need all the cast in this movie. So we're gonna extract only the top three actors from there. So to do that, we're gonna simply write this code, the movie cast or movie cast apply. We gonna use a lambda function, lambda x. I name is st liberal करके आ गया, and it is only top three. Run this, take some time. And also from this crew section, uh, also the same way we have to extract, but here we only extracting whose job is director. Let me show you. Hmm, yes, right. Yeah. So there is one thing is department, and also job. Yes, see it. Yeah, that is job and name. The job is editor and name is Stephanie something. So I need whose job is only director. I only add the director name. So to do that, simply write another lambda function where job, if job is director, only then append the name. It also takes some time. Yeah, it's completed. Now we are making another section. What is tag? And the based on this tag, we're gonna recommend all the things. Okay. To make this tag, we're gonna use the genres, keywords, the genres, the cast we extracted, and also the crew we extracted, only the director. So these four are in my tags. So movie tags, and these are the columns that I need. Yeah, it is successfully joined. You can see all the things are joined, and action adventure, these are the things. But there is also one problem is there, like commas, all the commas. We have to remove all the commas here for the pre-processing part. Uh, but after that, we don't need these things, right? Uh, we don't need the genres, keywords, cast, crew anymore. So just remove it, right? To remove it, same thing we use earlier. The movie ID, title, overview, and tags we need. Even if you can drop the overview, that's totally upon you. And we are using a lambda function and join function to remove these commas. Yeah, and one more. That's for lowering all the cases. So if you see the tag right now, yeah, all the lower cases and the commas are gone. After that, just see how our whole data set look right now. Okay, the only the four columns. Movie ID is there, title is there, and overview tags. Simple. Now we have to import the models and also the cosine similarity. If you don't know cosine similarity, go to the YouTube, search for it. This is the fantastic thing, and you have to know if you are doing ML. So for the model, we gonna use the TF-IDF. If you don't know, again, please go for it. So I import it from Scikit-learn, and in stopwords, I gonna use the English, and it's totally fit in the tags. Okay, and now I gonna use the cosine similarity to find the similar between the two movies, right? Uh, yeah. So my model is ready, and let's write a simple function to get the all the movie names. So this is the get recommendations function. Here one is title, one is cosine similarity. That is this cosine similarity is passing, and in IDX we are extracting the movie ID. In similarity score, we finding the similarity score, and again it's sorted to get the IDs. And in similarity score, we're gonna need picking the top 10 similar movies. So you can easily select tier 6 to get the top 5 movies, or you can select tier 21 to get the top 20 movies. Totally upon you. And this is the indices of the movie, uh, that is looping and coming and returning the all the titles. Great, right? Now let's see it's working or not. Let's see for the Dark Knight Rise. Yeah, it is giving the recommendations. That is Dark Knight, obviously Batman Begins, Batman and Robin. Yeah, it's working very well. Now we have to uh, make a Streamlit application. To run this Streamlit application, we have to import the pickle and drop these similarities, cosine similarities, to get the prediction. So let's dump this all the files. So we imported pickle. If you don't know what is pickle, pickle is a library that's help to drop the whole things what I trained. So movie data pickle in right binary mode we're gonna open, and we're gonna dump the movies and the cosine similarities as file. Just run it, and you can see one pkl file is there. Oh, we have to just make one app.py to make the application. So we just need four things. One is Streamlit, obviously. One is Pandas, one is Pickle, one is Request. Why we gonna use the request? Because we use the API things here to fetch the posters. Uh, if you don't see at the first of this video, I see you the demo how our project look like. So there is the poster fetching, right? To fetch the poster, we use the request. So at first we open in read binary mode in the movie dataset, and that's all. And movies and cosine similarities में if load हो गया, and the same function, uh, just copy paste, already explained this function, recommendation function. And to fetching the poster, two three things you have to, that is, one is API key. You just uh, replace this with your own API key. That's my API key actually. To go to the TMDB API section, just search for it and make an account and get the API key. That's easy. And the URL we have gonna use, that's the common part. There is a movie ID, and the API keys goes here. So it is the total URL that I need to getting the response. So that's all. In response, we request in this URL and get the response. In data, we format it in JSON format to get accessibility. And poster path, uh, in this JSON format, one key value pair you can say is there. That's its poster path. The poster path is extracted in poster path, and the full path for the poster is this. Okay, that's all, and the full path is returned, and we simply use it. And let's making the Streamlit UI. The st.title is for setting the title, so that is movie recommendation system. One is select box we have to need. So in the selected movies, one select box we are using. That's select a movie is the message, and what is selected, that inside the movies we are using the titles, not values. Okay, all the titles is there, and also one recommendation button, and the whole thing say copy and explain you. One recommendation button. If it is pressed, then it this all the things is executed. The recommendations, inside the recommendation we use the get recommendation function. That this is the get recommendation function if you don't know. And selected movies is passing, uh, and this writing the top 10 recommendation movies, and it's the layout, to just showing the movie names and the posters also. So we are using two rows and five uh, columns format for here, and columns is five, you can see, and for column it is looping. If that's all, the title is there, and movie ID also there. So poster path is poster path, easily you can find. And in this column format we are using 130 width of the image of this poster, and the movie title, from movie title, easily, right? This is the all the application things. That's all, everything is sorted. So run this application, we have to go to the terminal, new terminal, and just type Streamlit run and the application name. Yeah, and that's all, it's running. The Streamlit application is running, just wait some time. Yeah, it is ready for you. So Spider-Man 3 recommend. Okay, one problem is there. So the error is nothing actually. My Wi-Fi is not responding. Then that's why the error is coming. So just refresh and let's check for Spider-Man 3, and there you go. All the recommendation is coming. It's a Tangled, Disney movies and all. Nice. It's a Man of Steel. Yeah, it's working fine, right? One more. Let's say Pirates of the Caribbean, working very fine. Okay, that's all for this project. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.